Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a refund on Ticketswap. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? It is simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Ticketswap. Once you're there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to get a refund on Ticketswap. Now, the event you bought or sold ticket for has been cancelled, and the organizer has said they'll be giving refunds. Now, the question is, how can you get your money back? Now, usually the fund will be given back to the seller. Step one. And in this case, within 2 weeks, Ticketswap is going to ask both you and the seller to join a private chat where you can organize the refund between the both of you. This can be done via a payment link or bank transfer. Now, Ticketswap will ensure that everyone understands their obligations to each other and treats each other fairly. So the event you bought ticket for has been cancelled, and the organizer has said they will not be refunding or giving refunds. Unfortunately, if the organizer has said that they're unable to refund the original buyer, it's not possible to request a refund from your seller. But when they say they'll be giving a refund, this is the next step that you will have to take. Go ahead and contact Ticketswap and let them know that this event has been cancelled and the organizer said they will give refunds and you want them to intervene. So after reaching out to them, you're definitely going to organize a private chat between you and the seller, of course, after you've provided the seller details to Ticketswap. So in that private chat, the both of you are going to come to an agreement to decide which payment channel that the money is going to be made, or the money is going to be paid. After doing that, that settles it. So how can you contact Ticketswap? Head over to your Ticketswap account, which of course I've done right here. Click on this question mark icon and here scroll the way down to get in touch. Now click on get in touch and click on give us a call because it's urgent. Now click on yes, please help now, and let them know that you want to get your money because the organizer said that you're going to refund and you want them to intervene. Then Ticketswap is going to put you and the organizer in a private chat and you both will decide what to do. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.